yeah, wrong show in our bonk one idea. Won't share no tipacho. Stay tuned now, your net Vic, Ebetrichum come on. But I'm say it here somewhere to your home. No doubt, a coin be also, you bet his ass, Tino. You repair, na Vic, Adom come on, Ashisho. Hello, brother, please. Wish my lovely daughter, Doris Akosia Kwachua Sante of Northampton PIWC Assembly, England, a happy birthday in advance. May God Almighty bless her. Her birthday. Okay, so her birthday is tomorrow. So, happy birthday in advance to you. Okay, yo. And it's your day today, Honorable Titus Glover. Yes. Happy birthday to you, boss. Wishing you God's blessings on your special day. Yeah, man, I would dapa. Nyame onsha, na onsha, no onsha. Nekoswa eye nshama afufro bebre. Honorable Titus Glover. Happy birthday to you. From myself and from your own boy, Gideon Boateng, now in the United States of America. We all wishing you a happy birthday. Odo bebanye. Me man. Happy birthday going out to Elvis Atakra, well known as Lucius of Abilinkpe, and an old student of Odogono SHS. Wishing you God's blessings, more wins, long life, and prosperity as you celebrate your birthday today. From Kwanso OO and Isaac. Kindly wish Mrs. Ifumia Adupoku, wife of the Yoko boss, Commissioner of Police retired, that's COP Frank Kwame Adupoku, a happy 60th birthday. So, mommy, happy 60th anniversary to you. And this one is coming from Nana Okofu Nyako Abiam the second, Sanahine of Breman traditional area.
You be my lover, be my everything, so I need you. You be my number one girl. Back up for you, girl, you know be answers. Baby, if you come back home, so they visit to the bone. Don't leave me alone, cause I know go free sleep. Baby, come.
I was showing your baby to your home briefly. We are Victoria. I broke our at Nasi. I just say, you know, Baby Chicken and Como. Ewo Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Minim se Vic or Francis and nepa messages are menya from Abruchi. Abruchi for almost sending me messages about Vic. And easy or ba in so crano. A branch back who are come pa fresh boy pa Prince who now so open of hey Vix is here no holding your boyfriend why. Anyways, yet yes already to your opponent also. right, so and that's somewhere due to your home for no. Well, but because I'm assembly say fear and worry forms part of our lives. It is normal to feel anxious about something or a situation, but don't let that eat you up. Simple. Fear and worry, and I say fear and worry forms part of our lives. But it is normal to feel anxious about something or a situation, but don't let that eat you up. Say etoda na usru abraboi ya ubui. Sometimes we share niema esisi de di wanim de wo famu ni ade niema bi a pese oye nye niema bi a ofesi ni ade etimi e de hu e be hye omu etoda na usru abraya ya mi bu ekura be kosen ni ade ya mi ye be ye ni ebesi mi ye ni but I see many you meet me achieving pony. A normal and that's some chances. I deal with now. A kind who say any pay na your brain quade. A normal say bit me a Phyllis. But Nini Muni say, my massa feeling na yeniano, satin cana yeniano, a near soon kunim. And so say a man no a as I say a jitum say, or brano, it was a barn a boy. It is a bibi ye be boy who and now dear be a be disrobe a beshe muno. As I say to me, pequine be a befaso. Na ye disels runo and a huno eso in kunim. Na ya twaso abo brano akoyenim. A we minimum a day I ne show so. Minimum a day timidi hu a begina or brabum. Minimum a day it must ruby a bawaquemu. Into a told that cry, dear, we sent out to Swan more, but because of that fear, and no way, Jaya, and swear be crank or a crown could be Sayanka, the end of the Bemo. A be crank out the application could a crank a befa. But for the fear of not succeeding, say, be a me qua me feeling, now what's now I need do some cream now, na went to me and to Sana Mono. Let's do away with that. Now, yen share one day, na yen who say, Sadi na cabra bono, into a quaint be asono. And so say ye jai de ye near coswell tree and more near Bob Brano a coyenim. Yametias in quadia ebe ye. We any are somewhere near ye did 2 year off will fear Quantum so Adom 106.3 FM. I fear fast that my proud sponsors. MTN say and can't say August year Burem which say Momo Mantno assign beam. The scientific area copy the end of September. Obit me we need 10,000 Ghana cedis cash just by paying with your Momo QR code or merchant ID when you shop. Very simple. What they could do na efa Momo etua ayana wakai say obetua for your goods and services no with a merchant ID wa bra boss star 170 hash and na say obe use you a QR code no no my MTN app no no and actually say obe hia no na wa accumulate reward points the betimi abo anu abeka enipa 4,000 ya ebedi security say ye fisabi akopem the end of September. Na obomodia na opeso hu points baby wa build dey do a and also be dial star 120 hash na wa follow prompt no you best sort it out. Take note say promo winners ni na no they will be contacted by the official MTN number pe and no 0244 300,000 so number you pe and I'll be so now with me ya from where redeem price just momo it we did for you everywhere you go. I feel live strong with iron. We any hashtag as you see at the num. Research shows that 4 out of 10 women in childbearing age and I feel 6 out of 10 children below 5 years are affected by iron deficiency anemia. Now, sir, iron deficiency can say me affect their ability to be active and learn with full concentration. Now, so when treating very earlier, it may affect your bofrana drain and I feel so their physical development and so for the rest of their lives. But there's great news because this can be changed. And no one is obedi iron rich foods and I feel iron fortified foods. Now a boosted the iron level in your blood. Now is how we every ho. Hashtag nubium live strong with iron. It's said behind there and no iron in your name. Nestle for Adama. ena omo ekurikure musi ya ma yetimi ekaka ho. Finally, first day di oma Serene Insurance company Adom kodom na atorenchen brim edura osori penhwea na ogina wachi eboawo ema bibia so etimi ekoyi edema. Pomoden a se obehwe akira kwan any of our branches and talk to us na bra na nhwe kwan so betimi afa so aboawo na bibia so etimi akoyi ama wa abrabo ne yebokọ anim ba ye kono unnim de besi wo wanim bibia betimi asi na atorenchen ba yesu etimi ahwe na yaboawo na bibia akoyi etiamao yedom aseso mo so yasene ma yiti Irrigated Sports. Nemom sesi a baby a yadu de. Ye ne VIC ba betwetwe. Enkomohwe obi message a wa send e wa how to say amount why I word see you Jerry why you talk too much. She said because of VIC person with it you are telling me I talk too much. Meanwhile you may na me. So Jerry too why they keep too long like that. Facebook for mommy won't tell me oh. Mommy won't tell me. As a VIC, just my word idea. I don't know, sir. VIC, what cause traffic? Alrighty. Anyways, yeah, the number could be between one and Sunday and VIC Akasa. But I don't remember na ye no more. If he VIC eho na ya bo na VIC. Me patcho enum ben pa na ye oda person me bomo ansa na ya chase edi nkomo ka che me. Enum ben pa.
This day of master to lami. Call on your bank.
Base on man, for base on man. Yes. Baby, on when the Christmas in New Year, remember, if when you win. Oh, Quampa. Christmas. And now pass your boy outside. Jerry, easy. One way no. Empty. Aha. Okay. VIC nyumni we no see from proper kwan mu ansa na ahase abokobo.
Day of grace, mas my true love gave to me. A party, a party. On the second day of grace, mas my true love gave to me. Baya na mamo and a party, a party. On the third day of grace, mas my true love gave to me. My true love gave to me. God on your bank, Fantastic Cathy, Fire and Mammo and a party in a baby. On the fifth day of grace, pass my true love gave to me. Go to me, Ching on your lewa, Cathy, and a party in a baby. On the fifth day of grace, mas my true love gave to me. Go to me, sing on your lewa, Cathy, and a party.
Ofie Kwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Go to me, sing on your lewa, Cathy, and a party in a party, Bronya.
This is Christmas in August. Can't see VIC. Anyways, VIC, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brother Jerry.
Now, I want to say,
Yamia Domino Mopai, but I'm whole to Santa for our
VIC, who full name, Edson, you're from saying.
But you're Mediani Victoria, a Siama a blocker.
Victoria, a Siama a broker. Na you day ben so ya joa na ya man na
a fear.
So we are Friday born.
Yo.
Yeah, a fear. Now VIC, how many years?
More 19 years.
19 years.
I'll show you.
Oh, okay. na minim say asama kese na owo but ufri e ho na e okrom ankasa
that child David
ufri
if you come say Mosiaso
ufi Kumasi Mosiaso in the Ashanti region.
yes
Oh okay na Vic there now yeah
oh me ton ade nkakra o mfin nanim
wo ton ade nkakra wo fie anim okay fine but Vic mami bisa wo I had the be uncle for about Ofie Kwanso. They always say, oh, Jerry Matthew, for so many years, I've been trying to call you out, so me Frebia Minya, and nep de Nyamia Dumetimia. But what Vic there, it looks as if say, anytime you are person of Adom, be afraid, Anna, or corner go through, no one yay. We are there, how do you do it? We are then out to me, a friend, sir.
I am a place, and I'm a tomb.
O press you phone now Tom.
Papa my example nonchira.
Yeah, example na me.
Phone no enemy ha.
Okay. All right. So Vic.
Yeah.
Me enka me ho asem kakra. E ba ne say na onya me number.
Me ba ha bro nyamu.
Wo ba ha bro nyamu.
Me ba na me nyu obi awa. Nti me ba front desk for and a front desk before them number
it front desk for na dem number ma o now you then onya Mrs. Azu number
oh me turn on radio so Sister Pokia 101
Pokia 101 to a can number now try wow okay Vic the tia na me bisa we ne say say why ya o na sample for J number o friend no obo ade o won number o friend no o friend me o friend papa bills o friend o bia number o friend bia na omu na so aka che me say na say o friend omo a ayo omo block number no so wo say nya number for me so me a witness to that dey na ultimi nya sim cards bebre different numbers bebre na da bi otibidi number for bi
na sim card na mi chano eto bia mi show bia na ma je no phone na me dey flow
enti wow phone no dey frɛ unya na waje obi show bia na waje obi phone dey afrɛ na den asa na ya ka che omu ti otimi convince o ma omu dey phone ma e dey frɛ
person me ne madam for casa tin pa cho fa phone ma me frɛ madam
sa keke na ka che omu no dey ama wow okay Vic yanko wa busuam kakra o maame ne wan o papa ne wan
me maame obi a ya friend of maame
o maame ya friend of maame ni di ankasa design apart from of maame no
ma Esther
and our papa so design Mr. David na o maame and o papa man o to so saying
it also last born.
I want to last born. Catchy. And you would me order pa. Okay, Vic, recently me who say what your picture be just say Cape Coast Castle. Wako honia de kan ho asem kakra chen boy ho komo kakra. Ba ne say na copy mu.
Me ba ha Friday. Na me ka che me yansam me ko kakumuda. Nti Monday no se memla na on family fashion. On family ko kakum. Nti Friday Monday na odemi call Cape. Full Cape. Na odemi call kakum. Na if you call Cape Coast Castle.
Now ko den na ko hu o.
Oh me hu no ma beble.
Sise sen.
Me hu pe
pay.
Ela mi hu CO Coco.
Okay, Vic, 19 years they wouldn't be as a oko school and I say
oh na me go school. You see I am a jai.
Now go school na wejai. Where we are now wejai. Where we? Who we are? Yeah.
Third.
we Ted. Saying Ted saying Form 3.
Form 2.
We or Form 2. Sir. HS.
Yes.
And now we do Form 2 now, Jay. Say you or Form 3, but Form 2 now, Jay. I didn't know Jay.
And your man koi. Intra.
Ultra unja. As a moya exams now. Ultra unja. It's in a more jay.
I am a trap. May I tell you, I'm not my last. Me come and I'm for how much lemon. Now, it's the horse. Ben said, Tam Nash.
O call now for someone show. Now to our time national. It's more exams on our last. Vic, then a show crying in tia and ma abribiano, we are wondering say, Obe free radio station because and you few questions one afraid. Oh, free Adom FM programs in now, just so you be phone lines now afraid. Then Tina, my yes, sir.
Pesa man for energy.
Oh, pesa man for energy. Now, what dream when you can what consider happiness? It you when you our person will be energy no. Then a more energy. Then a more energy, then a more person offer radio so casana for energy, but also then a more energy.
A shame crying.
I say, offer radio so now casana. A shame crying. Enti asama kese wona awo no enkofo dodo nimu e okrumo
the whole asama kese me na me asama kese tough
no enti jese obi animu okrumo enti omunim sa wona ya wo frɛ Adom FM eso no
acha
enti grofo hia ada asem na ya omuka
oja Vic Uflepa, na me say I.
Omushi catch us off repa.
Na me say garade na
Okay. Vic. Yetie onwum na wo say ye odepa no. Na me pese ye de enwum ba ko bi besan afam biem. It this time round no enwum ban biem na pese ye apart from ikontomri ya omi eboma we.
Pesa mo bo Pesa mo bo
Papa Bills way. Bra na obeka nwum foforo. Na be hwe mama.
Open your gospel na say.
De ope bia una de ye wo de na me bo ama. De obeka na ma bo ama. De wo beka bia na me bo ama.
Pesa bo Anita Free. Na nwum de wen. Adishimoja we share bwana.
Adishimoja. Okay. Eba ma sisi awai. Abusuan kusu ti Adom 106.3 FM na ya ni ye nua ba Vic na ayobon komo na messages a nkrofo send de enye asem ketwa. Enye asem ketwa kra na osisi de ope Anita Free nti amehwe na mero Anita Free man na fe yetos adeshimoja. All right, nti mo muti already so na munya hu Victoria no e pa chobetimi a join on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM utwatum ho a obehu Vic say oti studio a wa share ne kente dress bi kama saa chese ya bon komo. All right, nti yenti adeshimoja na yento aso.
Adishimoja biashia kwama.
I'm that so to me money more. I did see what I be at your grandma.
Okay, Vic, I saw you now Odiasa in the studio right now. Odiasa.
I'm that so to me money more. Jesus, I don't really know.
In fact, Vicky Diasa studio up and easy. Shall join us live on Facebook and check out her moves. And easy. Breaking news. Sesiano Vic and your partner was studio on in the person of Tapoli. Mokai Tapoli or Basho no swe ya get test for. Now Vic e watch Tapoli be times 2. Diasano. Join us live on Facebook and check out the dance. Victoria Brocco alongside Tapoli. Vic. Vic, what's a caca transna? You're drunk almost. Oh, man. In fact, we go to Adom 106.3 FM. Now, make I say, Vic, Edine birthday Monday, no, menene kasaye, ewo phone so. And me wish you a happy birthday. And Vic catch me say, Opa me chow. Me mama Diana mintra cake emano on the birthday. And I'm sure, don't worry. The birthday nui na Friday me mo aban to the oba na mashana mama cake. So I got a cake for Victoria. Mema African akwako yi cake number. And I me to champagne kan ho. E be to the ama Victoria. And I have some friends. Almost no say, oh Jerry, for just doing this no. Then send you bibi kakra ne fama Vic. Enti Janet ewo New York City. O sendi mumu. Na mo na mo ye na Vic de mo ye ni ji o Vic de ma enye se mo de mo ano saa. Mo hwe de Janet ayi. Ya wa sendi bibi kakra ma Vic. Na mo so mo nya bibi kakra. Yenda ye papa. Reverend Gabriel Ansa. Ono so afre abaha se nanije Vic ho and open spirit intino obepe se ono so e baby bi dia support Vic. Na me pastor Nanaya ako labi ono so no o se asaman kese ewiamu wa na Ofie a chese busuafo ho ane ade antino obepese e link no to Vic na ono so atimi akọ a contact no na oni na dinkita ho na omo so ahwe kwan ya ombetimi afa so ne assistance bi e obi aso no omo atimi ahwe e de aboa no. And then my good friend Mrs. Irene Ousu in Toulouse, France. Ono so on the debut catch him say Charlie Jerry o ire Vic there on the crowd was Vic me so o ire Vic there oh penasemo ono so a pledging support say ono so ebehwe na or the bibi kakraba na ye they are supporting Vic. And for all of you, I mean my dream panel cry no is enough. And I want to say God bless all of you. And yet abibiana Bibia beye said ye expect to say beye, but Bibia unyaminsem. That's all I can say. Bibia unyaminsem. Bibia unyaminsem. And I am so happy, say Vic is happy, smiling, dancing, and that's all we want. Now, yenda Mrs. Azun Swasi. Mrs. Azu ye package nice one, be a wrapping fine. What's kweku? Okwa juma nena Vic ba present actually we ne fama Vic emame nti African be kwa kofa ba na ye de amano. Mr. Azu so Madam Mr. Azu ase Mr. Azu is one busy man, but enumre papa we timi nya adaje ono atimi de ne phone frɛ Vic no ne Vic a bon komo saa wo phone so metimi a bon komo be 45 minutes sometimes na me to na me wawa ono be bon komo asre saa oso Jerry the way I Vic here no I say any bon come all the times I name and energy. Mr. Azu, may God bless you. May God bless you. Vic, Mr. Azu 8 year no say show on Facebook or say men can trust or child Vic. Ayo. All right. Enti to see African you win bra why? African kwako yi cake na ba champagne na bana. Aya na waje African. Jenai for kokomlemle mo bra en twa cake no na ye twa cake no Emma Vic for the birthday. Na say no or around them so ya dey with TV o. Ntina ohun no ha no mo no. Okay, enti Vic e na wani je ho Adom FM ho pa.
Enyonto
enyom ayebo no.
Live worship.
Live worship. Enu ti ma mi bisa wasem. Say live worship for kwakoye program abontin ba bia. Utimi fi asaman kese. na wafaka na wakɔ baabi omo ye live worship no aya hwan na o assist o na usida na baabi omo wo no hu ho na ukɔ join omo ho na also live worship no no kɔ ebi
I am telling you already so
wuti already so say on be kɔ baabi a on bo hodin na wa follow akɔ hobi the other time na ye program here this year covid inti say virtual Adom praise oba Adom praise Emma say no when you agi na wo di asane ade a na that was the first time I did meet you no wa na be frame me so what down for new and I'm saying madam for me so what down for Vic and I'm say una frefi asamankes was say hi and I was shocked say Ofie asamankes ba honom that day eba Adom praise why na do ba program na say
but menkwa
onko na fa ka Ofie asamankes ba
me ba ha me nya beja me kan
unu abeja okwan Vic brother ewa ha me pacho mama Vic brother mana me no enkasa kakra na ye don no so asese ni nue wan kasa o me de me fiu na wadi na chi ne na fi asamankese aba boss good evening it is saying me pacho ye frozen Jonathan wona Vic di wachi ana obi o wansa na wachi ba mienu ne Vic so tell us something small about Vic any moment to say if I talk by microphone kakra
actually with Vic because you be on
Bibi Mbuna yeah I can tell because or you be I'll give you up easily
yeah
and can start a frame me in particular cry now from the beginning I'm when you nice unipa need disturbing me I'm blocking number but it doesn't matter the number of times you try to block her she will find another way of getting back to you yeah na mommy give you up and I'm saying yeah really mommy fanning here madam for now me
yeah
so if you ayana asetram to saying
okay or you get any machines on they say gadgets PC into right from childhood yeah like ultimately like this on game or balance your game you have to at least give it a chance so honestly will be so no per gadgets near the identity if you see you know and one thing is my father so he also exposed us to gadgets like phones laptops and the other so now no jana he say software installation like how to use and I didn't hear say be on a laptop so like obey so when you actually know so using sometimes got to charge your phone to one or man we pattern they say Adom live worship no way or no gas for no gas na there yeah no one assisted say yeah who said our Instagram
from the beginning I didn't know say or no follow me on Instagram me when I know I'm making comments and then or sending me DM on Instagram now I was like who is this into your family me clicking the pictures me and I'm say hey Victoria Rock on Instagram and then I was shocked Vic why they be an Instagram account now one of Vic one of be Instagram account no okay but handle no na amount for follow on Instagram right
Victoria Blocker
no but when I catch you say kokobie Instagram account wow but boss I have sometimes more why onye bibi my mom feel say bia why are all my siblings like this and maybe I am a bit different or baby
I know the me tell you like sometimes okay but I don't know mama when like
the other time mene o papa kasai o papa frame me mene kasai and your father was happy say at least we put a smile on her face and because of the relationship between us and her you know I must say your fans and the self-esteem crown or share crown a cost near there and everybody sees and una already so Vic near there and but can be say a toda I say Felise why different big kakra ne ade. By band say more siblings no most say na ya mo fele.
Well, for us, when say sometimes maybe one more see we to say any party
Yeah.
It's true. For us, we know say God have a purpose for her.
Yeah.
And this is the best way that God can accomplish His purpose in her life.
Yeah.
In everything, and so far she really has talent. Like, and I make her like a pen. I don't know.
We say a laptop bitoma Victoria Power now. For me now for dosu power. It me now for bebre me and say and near my stabi. We are doing Kamia what down Sisia and Mako laptop and mom normally not at the account mom normally across the Marcus Street. Oh, but Nansen Ukrainian meaning me from us museum just shoot also for more thing brutal bar. It me now for now be. So be a cast of mommy one city cry. There's plenty friends. I can buy her a laptop. Yeah, let's get her a laptop because we understand that she's very good at that and or no I can find her way out and do whatever. Now Emma on few so that because it wouldn't be cool obe chin plenty be breeze I know a be hard drink kakra.
Who's on the crowd? Who's on say be an interest or because she wants to do the like radio work. That is one of the reasons why I need to
Wow. That's wonderful. There's some money in sent if you wave but when come patrol what best send the no Bomodia mami who details and only pay do say yina that was why Beauty Denmark also be contributing for us to get her the laptop nti yen kakra sana ye say and then if we can oh okay so Gifty Ando in Chicago yes that's yensa count there no Mrs. Azuso be contributing for us to get the laptop for her people are asking me say what is it about VIC but enye bibia ne betimi aka straight say ABS but we say say the ninu be mai kan no enye say nyame nenim the reason why I bibi bisa betimi aba say enuanum na bibia betimi aye 100% okay with them up there but ebia na ba ko bi e de akwa bi tina ko say or a little challenge kakra in the reasoning ne said you any bibia no na ma it differ from ninu animals so the identity. I think that that's how I can if it is different if she's not here or why I say anymore can say but sitting right in front of me now can say na BBO for now let's just keep it that way damwase mo send the bibi kakra baba no adina it's coming in ti ebehwe ya organize na yato laptop no de ama Victoria eti me pacho monfa cake no emra na mo ma Vic ntwa ne cake why na muntu champagne no so ma no na me pacho African ode Mrs. Azu yi no so bai eda me car no I think it's on the front seat or something they are wrapping on okay so we will give that one to her I'm receiving lots of messages and most of them I pledge support so on boy for us to buy the laptop for Vic nyame Asia munina for my dream pa why me aminu abema na kwame wo Hanover Germany okay or also say the yenye contribution there to the better but later on also so the another one so better Effie Germany they are send you before na media Vic so we'll do that Charlie munja Vic china muncha okay Vic one my first song one my second one me patch on my third song na yembo na third song ne bo na me so man be gina won chen bi na ye twa cake nti patch enum ben bi na Vic opese ye bo Vic enum ben bi na opese ye bo
Pesa mobo Brody.
Okay. Oh, David. Who pass your brother, Ebama? I am Ebama. Why? Man, worry. And then show me your deal. The other Canadian. Okay, so let me look for that song. Nah, Nemomana, and no money bono. Neja Miss Marco Canona, you're tracking. But we bet me are joining on Facebook. Now I share as we cut the cake. Oh, brother, I'm not going here. And I'm your brother, me. Me and for we in the Nuna, and Timmy as a better do. On Pukan Puni didn't put the same. Okay, so Vic, and you know, in the Yakwaku track it. Mon join on Facebook now. Mon share as we cut the cake with Victoria.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3.
Black day. Brother Miniaje, fuck me. When you might do another Friday. Kumasibema, Jimmy, I no complain, and Grand Swamaba. Let's say, baby, I'm gonna go a bit if you want to mean I'm a banner. Sikasu so gumano, only a drummy weber, who you must go to a family bug. Man on my dream, I'm framing. Mama in Jimmy, the cook was so framing. A man on my dream, I'm framing. Messi, I have no idea what to. My winning joy, Tinton, yeah, no one's I have agony. It is on some I have agony. To what the papa go put to manto. You kimpi, now if you got a suit to go to la tememo, yeah, papio. A morning doesn't hear me, oh, no, my baby. Manu monjure manfremi, mama minjimeni, ukoko asuma fremi, manu monjure manfremi. Mete papa, no don't have it. I see bad opa, I'm on board in a damn into me chili. The crowd moons of mammy, it's the number see about it. Open up as you Wrong half on the Sandra. Ain't I'm a live from a Kamuka, and I've won you now somewhere.
Okay, so Vic and Chani cake, you know. Champagne was here too. And the disposable cups and so banana. Share champagne in Kakra. What I say? Monsieur Tapulia, who she champagne.
You're Capini very much. I did. Listen, let me go and go a bit if you want to let me know. I think that's a second
Mama G, our United States of America. Or no so best sending a contribution about. Nah, Yasha na yet me Eddie and Francisca or say to two. Or no so around it there Eddie Abba. Say or they support it Vic. And now, me mammy bako, me type boni dimpa na ebana doya. Mammy no chese too much. Temanowo. But we nkwa there for the first time. Or say ade opeso ye no, mammy mboni din. Mommy. Mommy, Yamisha, what's it? Ode ono ase mami mboni dia. Let me just, keep it as such. But oya the papa. Timomi Yamisha.
Ukoko so frame, a man won't try man frame. Bete papa no don't have it. I say by the pa, I'm on for the damn to me chile. The crowd munso mamia. This thing I must say about it. Vote on a passenger. I can't for the west monza. Wrong the half on the central. Ain't a man if I'm a camera. Got a phone in a month somewhere.
Okay, men clear 1 or 2 be one of a repair. Yene Victoria Abroka and Twaso. When him say every day can be a market day. Ewo Malcolm ana. When him there my catcher. Yes, for a period of 7 days. Every day can be a market day at Malcolm. Malcolm is happy to introduce to you Malcolm Market Week. We an offer that enables you to earn an amazing discount on the 10th anniversary of Super Saver Card. Super Saver Card on the 10th anniversary. So just flash your Super Saver Card and enjoy 10% discount on purchases worth 250 Ghana cedis and above. So our offer we valid from the 24th of August. Now at the 30th of August 2020. So take advantage of it. Now switch out to terms and conditions apply. Malcolm, where Ghana shops. Now wondering where to get yourself a new mobile phone. Mame come for Freddy's Corner MR. Yeah, say open mobile phone. The latest ones here baswin in you know. Baby yes or do any chair. Hey Freddy's Corner. Yeah, war phones from brands like Samsung, Nokia, Infinix, iPhones, Apple, itel, Huawei, Nina Bio, and as I say, so yeah, the home appliances account. So pay TVs, fridges, air conditioners, printers, gas cookers, home theater systems, stabilizers, kettles, blenders, Bluetooth speakers, washing machines, water dispensers, microwave ovens, CCTV cameras near Bio from brands like Samsung, Nasco Media, Skyworth, and TCL. Obana beto home appliances imu bia na Autofie and head office branch now. It's me say ma there at the count instantly. And it could be a mobile phone, a blender, kettle, a Bluetooth speaker, or a bag of rice. Head office branch no ewo kokomlemle a Ben City Light. Obe friend e din koma a 0544 959 195 and I'll face 020 793 7323. Freddy's Corner, your authentic source of quality home appliances and mobile phones.
Mete papa, no don't have it. I say I'm on board
the okay, and your barber shana, yede, and Komono, Abba, area. Vic, me patch up by microphone na, na yenton can ye. Bibia boko de. Okay, Cecilia, catch me. Feeling now, unya Cecilia net saying.
Oh, and normal.
Just a normal level. Oh. but when yaji.
Aye.
When yaji. It's your feeling say o birthday in Safi the BBI fine home.
I can't come more bad yet. Major Bakwa.
Ubeja champagne bakwa.
No man the matu.
Near to the Amakwame body.
Quite more bad than I say.
Not on me no tobacco. O de yeshi, o de fa ko Monday, me mom back no more to Eddie Ama. Why? to the old back we now can hold the fuck why it is a see and you okwa dance and now quite show papa
e kwa mega chen say mega chen say my baha say high fe
okwa we catch up papa say wa ba no say high fe okay it is Vic a dear pana obepese se odumfo bi pese oboa wa den pa na obepese nkodipa akono be yama o mitio se obi pese oboa wa obi pese oye bibi ma wa no bisa o se Vic kan ade a pese me yema na me yema wa anka den na obeka chu nipa akono
pese oye pese me ba Adom live worship so
o pese o ba Adom live worship so na obeto nyum na anka nyum be sa na obeto
metal worship
te say
uyo nyamia unyuma fatawo obwen pon nyamie usanyi nyuma ya wawa abadinina koto sawiwo daje nyame yepeja uti uyo nyamia unyuma fatawo obwen pon nyamie usani nyuma ya wawa abadinina koto sawiwo dajo labie yepeja uti Oko yeba uso ye pejawo ye totomo oko yeba uso ye pejawo ye totomo.
I don't even know what to say again. Yeah, nyame bibia o nyame nsem papa me you know Madam Edna ewo Rotterdam ya saka also on kra no and contribution also person or the mind. In fact, Adom FM yes Adom FM like everybody around or building no bia ba obia no bia be no bia person Vic and I mean Facebook or crowd me yeah my dream say me come for bisa me momo number me patro me fa momo number bia to baby say e bia no na me momo ye but as you know us we are clean people here and you know any of us be only me be our person or the contribution in fast one ebi no de omuni papa bills number om de fa papa bills there so and or the dini ba na me body mami or Rotterdam CC ani de or the fa papa bills so wa only me number so betimi dey send and yes answer na wa cry high and you can pass by now do Joy FM front desk. Well, if you talk to any of the sweet wonderful ladies out there now can say oh what is Nigeria mo can be about VIC says into open so the BB ma no amount is too big or too small. Or the bija front desk one more. They will let us have it. Yeah, the beka hona. Yeah. Bomodea my saka laptop no for Victoria. At this point, honestly speaking, me I know now to you grab break me. Ama me who for those of you on Facebook, I'm sorry. Number no for you know. Like I said, only many of the team members and numbers are. And yes, answer. Most of them found call Papa said on number back on 02 quadruple, you know, 777. Yeah. Okay. For those of you on Facebook, my patron bet me. I send it. They are called 0244 777 411. That's 0244 777 411. 0244 777-411. Papa Bill's din and registered on that Momo number. No, you there? Ubet me send your contribution. More mobisa Momo number no on Facebook. No, why? Now more farmer contributions for yes, Abekana the Digimano Diama. Whatever happens, be answer no. We will come here and then we will talk about it and let you know the day that we will present the laptop to her near Dean and Vic. Yamisha Ati. There was to say and sometimes Yame or kind of fast way near my brain. Yeah, na you will nipa be more honour. It has to be like this for people to know what God has done for them and appreciate the kind of life that they are living. So what I say, or share or level. Sometimes you think ye be mao, but then when you see someone, you hear their stories and one kasa you come to the realization say, hey, and nyame wa ye be ama me power. And if I show you most of the messages coming, some people are even sharing tears, you know, and they've realized the Lord has been good on their part. What I say, it's here that was say on so by na situation no come our baby boy so no ama e binu mo nya that realization no nyame sha bema ye down so ase say my mic no yeah that was say Vic edit to wanim say ye invite no so mra na onso wan kase o me de ja wasem na onso wa say wada je di unu aba keto echi na one ne fi asama kese aba besren awie yeda mo asepa e patcho suwem sa ade Mrs. Azu on the otani no bon komo pa oni ni kuni na ta bon komo pa nti Mrs. Azu na aye we kama fefe say Vic ba ye fama nti patcho sumuna yeah nti ye beda mo ase for coming Vic asembe na wo ekatwa to asembe na pese o ka che adofo na in fact abrochiefo na eti omo send omo contributions ba na ade na e den asem na obeka che omo na ya sori so
pesa me don mase baby we mo ifi ba ensha home mama
amen
and after so Sunday so me to mo safrem se mo be support mo be salame nde nyame ase wo deeper life
Sunday ube kwa asori akode nyame ase
pesa African jari any obipia
Jack Muntio Vic invite mo for ne Thanksgiving service this Sunday odi ne birthday Monday till this Sunday or kwa asori akode nyame ase we invite mo se mo mra meja no na onkode nyame ase enti deeper life wa asama kese won
amanfru
asama kese amanfru okay enti asama kasefo na ne mo amobe ho na ye to safra mu na kwasi da we ye ba obi ambra deeper life asama kase ho se ho ne den amanfrom na mo mbra na meta ye nua ba Vic na on de nyame ase so de afi ba akwa ni fi ho ye da mu nyina ase so ne mo time and mo amugu so send messages nearby more pledge more support near Adina Edamunina Sinyami Shamuna Mr. John Adams Connecticut war United States of America was sending $1 now what I say or no Abelande and more are still coming in. It is said them can more and more Facebook now mubisa mumu number me pacho 0244 777 411 0244 777 411 Papa Bill's D ena registered on that number and Timpa Chobit me send you mumu no dia fa ona yes our council contribution na ye de a supportive Vic yeda mo ase se mo buy ti nyame nka mo na mo kwa on fa mo nkodu asumdwin but mo ntwe me na membra na ye hwe na se adia yetimi ye bibi kakra na mo de ye transport ko why today mama me time kakra bi na me clear name bi na me mra why all right ati for me bana me ano my ye just Vic to no no sa no ama rewura me baby ama my son way o de me ba
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema cuckoo,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you do me no come home. From 0243 559 319.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema cuckoo,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you do me no come home. From 0243 559 319.
Freshman capsules, a one memon pomudin, fresh cool capsules, a yema cuckoo,
fresh lady capsules, a woman maumutia or mufichukum.
Name or pinful or buy one more menu for now for that when you do me no come home. From 0243 559 319.
FDA associate Jadi and Crack to him what Jatu Musa Aye.
Fresh products, hashtag Bobra.
A is for awesome for everyone. A is for all you can get done. Awesome camera, awesome screens, long-lasting battery. Yeah.
Share Samsung A11 for our camera miensa 6.4-inch screen and a 4000 mAh battery papi. When you know 739 Ghana cedis. And now A21s I was 6.5-inch screen, 5000 mAh battery, and the camera is a 9 equals 48 megapixels, and also 1199 Ghana cedis. Google apps I showed that AE as a whole was so that 90. And how much AE do trim or queen biaso.
Samsung Galaxy A. Awesome for everyone.
You should share a crowd.
Peak milk, peak milk, peak milk. Say a tea, cocoa drink, echo baby. Tom Brown, Maswata, Awuza Coco. Introducing the new Peak Green Instant Milk Powder in 25-gram sachet and 400-gram pouch, fortified with calcium, just for you. Oh, so Obayo, Coco Peak Milk. Strong starts to the day. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Udaya Sunobem, Melbet Ghana at Darumenti, Melbet Ghana dear, odds no so small, I can see a pa. Nasa body pay out there, and you pay cry, ye chiawa. Na bet now person canon sono, a guma who drop a bray. Ye try my match no bone and sunny a cash out. A brevia whoopebia, Uber to me a cash out. Nasa ucha bet no, Nasa match back up a say no. Ye beside you seek a mouth. Better than dear, a guma who drop a bray. Esports betting, virtual, casino game, Ucha, Ubedi big, Wikipedia. Wobibedi jackpot, 1 million Ghana cedis. Ocha idea, call melbet.com.gh. Nacho first deposit bonus. Use the promo code Ghana.
Puma Drinks, ready to add flavor to your life? Puma Drinks, bursting with so many flavors, you just can't have enough.
Hey, Minia, what say? Say what to say? Nia, say my tebi sopano pebia. Ebuba no pano do die. Na Ghana for be 5 million. Na say what to say? Be emprenu. What say what trotro mo? Hajia watch line mo. Why na fe? Koko joint na. Work on a hono. Na say what to say? Pe. Na chese koko sano. Ebe ye jankasa.
Have you heard? Say Airtel Tigo calls. Any Airtel Tigo money transfers and you freeze. Busuminsia. Annual. Sa pepe. Say what to Airtel Tigo sim. Now the Airtel Tigo money. No, did you make beer and no calls any Airtel Tigo money transfer and you freeze. Busuminsia. Say what it? Spread the news here. Now what we need here? Conconsano gele. Ojo Airtel Tigo sim and yeah.
Airtel Tigo. Life is simple.
Hey, what's wrong with me? I'm what's wrong with me?
Kucho Pasanapa. Kucho Pasanapa.
Hey, yeah, Kucho. Fan milk assigned the biaba. Ewo Kucho promo nimo. Free Samirim copy October Bosumevi. Top fan Yogo Strawberry and now fan Choco 1 city. And now 1 city 20 pesos the NUB. But star 950 star 6 hash. Now Boko de go pack the so. With me the phone credit. 1,000 Ghana cedis now what trivia. I think so. Nipens Yansu nebedi 10,000 Ghana cedis. Wait there. Kucho cra. And she share kakra wo. FD Ashisha say dream cra to imaji atum say.
Busia, yes, Iron Mama Bedru, Anuanum, Iron Mamoja, Iron Ye Ediani Dra, and Mahwading, Bibi or why a friend of iron deficiency anemia.
I know see it,
And Chanoabre, no, and this routine were Abianea iron deficiency anemia.
Ayam, me a nurse, iron deficiency anemia.